Well, hello and welcome back to my channel. It's been forever since I posted anything and I feel so bad about it, but last few months it was just a bit hectic and I finally realized what it means to have a mental health issues, if you can call that. So I didn't really want it to come and post or be forced to post some videos. Obviously I was cooking and I learned quite a pretty good recipes, but I just didn't feel like I want to film anything. So it's finally the day. Today, after all, I decided I have to do something. It feels even uncomfortable to go back to the camera after this break, but I have to pick up somewhere. And even though I have only few followers, I realized that I lost few as well. So I really want to keep that interaction and I want to build my community, not get rid of it. So today's recipe is going to be really simple as the reason why we all here in first place. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna quickly marinate my chicken, boneless chicken thighs I have. I'm gonna put some garlic powder, some smoked paprika because I love it. I'm gonna use this sriracha seasoning, and this one goes everywhere. Like, I think this is my one and only, apart from the black pepper, one and only seasoning mix that I'm using, and it goes with everything, with the fish, with the meat, with the beef, with the chicken, with you name it. I put everywhere. I marinate, I season, I cook. This is number one. So I normally finish this really quickly, so I have to keep topping up. Then I'm gonna use this Blue Dragon light soy sauce, and I'm gonna put little bit peppers. So that's it. So to begin with, let's just put our chicken bites. So I'm gonna put some garlic. I hope you're all doing fine. Weather is amazing in UK. Oh my god, I'm missing this weather. Oh, I've been made redundant very recently. That's another thing why I wasn't like well. Okay, so just let's marinate everything. Squeeze that chicken real well. Marinate. Make sure all your seasoning goes into the chicken. So sort of massage the meat properly. And I normally just leave the meat to marinate for like, I don't know, 30 minutes. I think 30 minutes is perfect amount of time. And this type of marination goes well if you prepare your meat for barbecue or just quick fry, or like me to do with like sauce thingy. Okay, so I chopped my onion already because I didn't want it to cry in the camera. So now I just gonna do the same thing with mushrooms. I have only a few left, but Michael, I'm recording. Anyway, let's cut the mushrooms. There's no particular size, whatever you prefer. If you wanna feel that mushroom taste in your mouth, you can just half it or cut mushrooms in 4 pieces, but I like make it smaller. That's what I will do. It's really so simple, and you can do exactly the same thing with the fish, specifically with the cod. I find so tasty, so yummy, and got one there as well. So what I do normally first, I quick fry chicken just to get that yellowy color, golden color, and then I remove from the fry pan. I cook vegetables and add tomato sauce. That's the main ingredient. And cook for a few minutes. And then add chicken, reduce the heat, and cook like for another 20 minutes. That's it. Let me quickly cut this one and I'll get back to you. Okay, so our chicken is finished marinating. Let me quickly heat up my fry pan. I try to put as less oil as possible, so I might put a drop or two, but not too much. I don't like too oily. I don't like too oily food. Okay, let me place you a bit differently. That's it. Can you see well? Good. Meat doesn't have to cook properly because it's still gonna cook later in the sauce. So if you overcook it now, it's gonna get dry and you don't want that. So just quick. So later for the sauce, I'm gonna use this Filippo Berio. Apologies if I don't pronounce correctly, but this bolognese sauce, it's something else. Like if I find with offer, I always buy more than like 2 or 3 because it really goes well with everything as well. I like when I find something that I like, I just keep using it. So let's just quickly get it dry. Okay, so I think our meat is ready to be turned brown. Yes, look at that, nice. Okay, not this one. My cooker doesn't work properly. Always one side cooks more than the other. And I'm not sure if the way it's been installed or what. I don't know. But always this side burns quicker than with this side. So what we're gonna do, play around. So it's not much we can do. I love the smell. Normally, just forgot to mention, sometimes when I have too many fresh tomatoes, I make tomato sauce myself. Basically, you just cook tomatoes, add your seasoning, and there it is. But if you want to speed up the process, there's nothing wrong to go for store product. Okay, so let's take our meat out. Let me just turn down the heat. We're gonna add all our vegetables and let it just blend in flavors and soften a bit. You don't want to overcook it as well. Actually, I might add some tomatoes. Wait. Okay, so what I will do, I quickly cut some tomatoes. There's no really a rule how you. My cameras keep telling me that my storage is full, and I'm actually panicking now. I need to finish filming this recipe. Jesus. I add the tomatoes. I'll make cook to soften a bit. So you see, everything just looks mix and match. Very colorful. Very colorful. You can just squeeze tomatoes a bit to reduce release the juice and give some more flavors. Okay, I'll add some bay leaves, of course. Oh, no bay leaves. Okay, so I'll add 2, just for good measures. Let's add some peppers. That smell. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'll make our sauce. Don't forget to put some water in, and then just rinse your jar. I chose fry pan a bit too small for today's dish, or maybe I just have too many ingredients. Okay, what we're gonna do now, we're going to add our chicken. Yeah, sort of hide your chicken in the sauce. Make sure it's covered. And now we're gonna cover it and cook for, I don't know, 20-25 minutes or until it's cooked. So you can just try during the process. Here's my cover. There it is. So slow cook, 20-25 minutes. So this is our final result. I boiled some rice together, and yeah, this is what we're eating today.